Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a manual truck. First, sit comfortably and familiarize yourself with the three pedals: the clutch on the left, the brake in the middle, and the accelerator on the right. Always press the clutch fully to the floor before starting the engine or attempting to shift gears. This action disengages the transmission, allowing for smooth operation and preventing the engine from stalling unexpectedly. It is a fundamental step. Understanding the relationship between the clutch and the gear shifter is vital for driving a manual truck. When the clutch is pressed down, the engine is freewheeling. As you slowly release the clutch, you will feel a slight resistance, which is the biting point where power begins to transfer to the wheels. This engagement point is crucial for smooth acceleration, so practice identifying it. To get your truck moving from a stop, ensure the clutch is pressed all the way down and the gear shifter is in first gear. Slowly and smoothly release the clutch pedal until you feel the truck gently start to pull forward. At this precise moment, simultaneously apply a small amount of pressure to the accelerator pedal. This coordination prevents stalling and ensures a controlled takeoff. As your truck gains speed, you will need to shift into higher gears by pressing the clutch, selecting the next gear, and smoothly releasing the clutch while applying accelerator. For downshifting, release the accelerator, press the clutch, select a lower gear, and then gently release the clutch. Listen to your engine. Shifting up usually occurs around 2,000 to 2,500 revolutions per minute, while downshifting helps maintain control and reduce brake wear.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.